in power.
Tay sing blai khana kai dona hambai na go o jarawo bini hamjak ma bini khairok ma no tay blai khano bini as hamung rak no sing blai khana kusuk khana go.
As he had promised in his word, he has done marvelous thing through our church in this land.
Tay bo samai tangma hanyo o hawo bo bini wana ma singsa samurong no tangi bitongo.
So it's my encouragement and humble prayer to each one of you, my brothers and sisters, that you need to thank God, just as our Metropolitan Father reminded us. Thank God every day for your holy church, for the church that you are part of.
Tay ang hai mujamana sini bolang nang Metropolitan samani kogno sen sabrum se kai toni a wana ma singsa samurong no bini a faithfulness. And
it is because we have a church in the state. I have the privilege. We all have the privilege from different states living in the country of India could come here and serve the Lord and see each one of you, all because we have our church established in this place.
All jagawo motha kotor asaima baino जों ज तनो दिनै विभिन्न बार हाकतनि गुबुन हास्तेरनि फाइनाय पर सकायमनते काइटनो बनबरम रिमानो.
And as the Lord has promised in his word, God's glory will be declared among all nations and all peoples, and we see that in the land of Tripura.
जों एलमबाको सामा हाइनो काइटनि वनामा सिंसा आज सिंसासा नोकजंमा हाइकेनो ओ त्रिपुरा हास्तेवा हाइनो नोकजंगै दङ.
In every 20 tribes, the peoples, the nations that live in this state, God has declared his glory, and we ought to be so grateful and thankful for this marvelous work and glorious name of our Lord.
Tibrahani pista dofa ba o hasni dofa ro borok de kai jona mananya bini mohima klaiman mani o kaisa bini kaisa samong kotor.
I am reminded of a verse in Psalm 90 verse 12.
जों साइमनो लबong no buini barawatamsa.
And it says there, Lord, you teach us to number our days that we may gain a heart of wisdom.
Oro saka kaito nungsno sini asalomno lekhanani baginai phanudi awakesen all je nungrmani o salomne bisinteisen paibo sian kerangi pasai manani gyan mani manani.
How many of us can say that these many long years I'm going to live?
Chabo saiman je ang buskango kolokma sal ang basimane hne.
Can we count our days and say I'm going to live for another 1,000 days?
Nung saya mana yasikai ne je ang 1000 bosor buskango thangi mana hne.
Or I'm going to live for another 3,000 days.
Tai 3000 bosor nung basimane hne nung saya mana.
I don't think anyone can say.
Ang saime joro masapana abage saimana hne.
And what our psalmist is reminding us, we have to pray every day to the Lord that he will allow us, teach us to number our days.